Pinangunahan ng Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University or DIMSU ang kauna-unahang International Research and Innovation Conference on Education, Engineering and Agriculture o IRISEA 2023 na inulunsad sa International Convention Center sa DIMSU and Luc Bacnotan, La Union. Nilahukan ng IRISEA 2023 ng iba't ibang state universities and colleges or SUCs, government agencies na may temang strengthening research and innovation ecosystem through education, engineering and agriculture. Layunin ng komperensiya na pagtipunin ng mga eksperto sa larangan ng edukasyon, ehenyera at agrikultura upang ibahagi ang kanilang kaalaman, karanasan at talakayin ng mga inobatibong idea, pananaw at pag-iisip sa hinaharap para sa Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs ng United Nations. Nagtagal ng 3 araw ang aktibidad kung saan nagkaroon ng paper presentation sa education, engineering and agriculture mula sa mga partisipante ng iba't ibang kolehiyo at universidad. Ayon kay DIMSU President Dr. Jaime Manuel Jr., ang IRISEA ay inisyatiba ng universidad at matagal nang pinagplanuhan at pinaghandaan simula pa noong nakarang taon.
We have invited more than 10 partner institutions na kasama namin na maglulunsad dito sa first international conference na ito. And kami nagpapasalamat at maganda naman ang naging resulta ng pagtanggap ng mga other universities, other participants sa pagpunta dito sa conference na inilunsad ng Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University.
Ayon kay DIMSU VP for Research, Dr. Angelina Gonzalez, napakahalaga ang pakikipag-partner sa iba't ibang ahensya at state universities para magkaroon ng palitang edukasyon, inobasyon, produkto at iba pa.
We need really to have this partnership. We really need to have this strong collaboration with other agencies, with other state universities, so that there will be an exchange of quality education, exchange of innovative products or projects or innovations or inventions that they have, and to share the secrets why they have this successful food security in their programs.
Anya, makatutulong ito sa SDG 17 kabilang ang no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality at marami pang iba. Nagkaroon din ang IRISEA ng Memorandum of Understanding signing sa 11 colleges and universities at government agencies para sa SINAG Consortium ASEAN Plus Network for Sustainable Development Goals, Innovation and Futures Thinking.
This SINAG Consortium will be a consortium or platform of all the researchers, innovators, inventors, industry, lahat ng pwede nating makasama towards our goal to really contribute to the SDG 17.
May exhibition din ang IRISEA 2023 ng iba't ibang produktong pagkain, inbensyong inobasyon at iba pang mga kagamitan pang-agrikultura. Significant milestone para sa DIMSU ang kaunahon ng IRISEA ayon kay Victoria Malaya, Director for Innovation and Technology Commercialization ng DIMSU.
I am so happy and very glad that our university is leading the innovation milestones in the university, and in the future we can collaborate with other institutions, not only national but also international higher education institutions to work with us in strengthening the innovation ecosystem in the Philippines.
Sa uling araw ng IRISEA 2023, sinagawa ang awarding of certificates sa institutional partners at mga partisipante bilang pagkilala sa kanilang kontribusyon sa aktibidad kung saan highlight ang awarding of winners para sa kanilang namumukod tayong kontribusyon sa pananaliksik at inobasyon sa edukasyon, ininhyera at agrikultura. Highly successful para kay Vice President for Administration and Quality Assurance Antonio Ogbinar ang IRISEA at nagpasalamat ito sa lahat ng mga partisipante.
The 3-day conference about the first International Research and Innovation Conference on Education, Engineering and Agriculture, which was hosted by the Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University here at the North Lanyon Campus, Bacnotan, La Union, has been a great success.
Umaasa naman ang DIMSU na lalawig pa ang IRISEA hindi lang sa Asia, kundi maging sa Europa, Canada at Amerika. Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas kong mahal, J. Miguel Mendoza, SMNI News, North Luzon.